Hi ka Brainbox. If you are watching this, ibig sabihin part na kayo ng free online review ng Brainbox. So we will have a brief online review orientation para alam nyo what to expect during the review. So we will start with Brainbox history. Ano ba yung Brainbox? So Brainbox started noong 2005, noong April. We started with free college entrance exam review. So parang ngayon siya, free civil service exam review. Noon, 2005, we started with free college entrance exam review. Pero in Tacloban lang, face-to-face pa lang kasi yung uso noon. So eventually, noong May 2017, we published Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Tapos, in December 2017, we sold it in National Bookstore na. Tapos, we continued with our civil service exam reviews and other reviews. Eventually, ngayong 2024, we offered the free online civil service exam review, which is eto na yon. So, yung Brainbox, 15 years of great service na siya. We are located in Tacloban. Third floor kami ng Waiting Cook Building sa Imelda Avenue. So, ako yung author. I studied in UP Diliman. I took up Applied Physics. I graduated in UP Tacloban. I took up BS Management. I graduated also in Philippine Science High School. So, here are our services. We have Civil Service Review, UPCAT Review, PhilSci Review, and one-on-one tutorials in case interested kayo. We all offer them then as online. We offer them online. So ito yung Civil Service Exam Review namin. We have intensive online review which is 5,000 pesos worth, pero may libre na siyang Brainbox Reviewer. Maximum niya is 40 students per class lang, low teacher to student ratio. So compared sa atin, which is free pero we have no limit sa students. In case you want to enroll sa intensive online review, please contact our FB page, Brainbox Tutorial and Review Center. So these are our books. We have the main reviewer, we have the practice test, and the simulated exam. If you have the other books, mas magandang mag-practice din kayo using those. So we also have NAPOLCOM Reviewer, UPCAT Reviewer, and LET Comprehensive Reviewer. About civil service, so many of you are first-time takers. So we will have a brief orientation sa exam. So the tests include verbal ability, which takes 30% ng grade nyo, numerical reasoning, 30%, analytical ability is 35% for prof, and clerical ability is 35% for sub-prof. And the general information takes only 5% lang. 5% lang siya. So ito yung scope of examination. Ito yung basis ng book natin. So, para anong ginawa to, binase siya sa scope of examination ng civil service exam. Yung gagamitin naman natin na basis ng review natin is this book. So, kaya kailangan may Brainbox Reviewer kasi para to nating textbook during the entire review. General information, sa third edition, kompleto na to. May Philippine Constitution, Code of Conduct, Peace and Human Rights Issues and Concepts, Environmental Management and Protection. Yung second edition, kulang lang ng Peace and Human Rights Issues, tapos Environmental Management Protection. So yung exam is, for professional level, it's a 150-item exam. May descriptive questionnaire na 20 items. So total is 170 items. Test, a time limit is 3 hours and 10 minutes. So yun. So hindi na dapat magaling kayo. Master nyo yung topic. Kasi kung alam nyo lang yung topic at hindi kayo magaling doon, lalampas kayo sa 3 hours. So sayang din yung ni-review nyo. So dito, during our review, yung goal natin is ma-master nyo yung manual na calculation, ma-master nyo yung English din, yung reading, na para mabilis kayong mag-solve. So to pass the test, an examinee should get a general rating of at least 80. So ito, qualifications, admission requirements, these are all found in your book. So hindi ko na siya babasahin. I-pause nyo na lang if you want to read all of them. So ito dapat yung picture nyo. Ito yung mga valid IDs na pwede ipakita sa civil service. Other requirements, birth cert, or photocopy of identification certificate para sa Bureau of Immigration. So COMEX is computerized examination. Pareho lang yung coverage niya sa paper and pencil test. Yung pinagkaiba lang is yung manner ng pag-exam since computer assisted siya. So yung review natin, we will be using Facebook. Tapos kami, we will use Zoom para mag-discuss, pero you won't have the link. Mapapanood nyo ang video sa Facebook and sa YouTube. Yung YouTube is unlisted siya kasi para exclusive siya sa inyo. So yung makakapanood lang nun is yung may copy ng link, which is kayo na members ng batch 2. So ito yung group natin, batch 2. Meron siya, kaya kayo inad sa group para doon nyo lahat makita yung kailangan. Yung mga announcements, yung links especially, yung mga posts, yung mga recordings, lahat nandyan. So you don't have to chat anyone or brainbox pay kung saan yung link, ganun. Everything is posted there. Kaya kayo inad dyan kasi dyan pinopost lahat. So if you have questions, please check the group first before asking. Tingnan nyo, ngayon, you are 1,800 na. So if each student chats me, ay sus, ayun, magulo na yun. So tapos, we have this group chat, community chat. Hindi lahat ma-add, pero I'm trying my best to add everyone. Pero yung purpose lang nito is collaboration para mag-usap-usap kayo na members ng batch 2. So yung mga tanong-tanong nyo kung saan kuha ng COE, yung mga ganon, saan yung notice of assignment, yung mga ganon, pwede kayo dyan magtanong. Tapos, this is our YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Click yung all para in case we have new video, nare-receive nyo yung notification. So how to join the live class? So first, member ka dapat ng FB group. Tapos, you should check the FB group for post 15 minutes before the start of the class. So doon during that time pinupost yung link ng YouTube and yung Facebook Live. Remember, links will be available 15 minutes before class. We appreciate your patience. May mga nag-chat-chat kasi na saan yung link. So ito yung schedule, please screenshot or this will also be posted sa group nyo. So medyo iba-iba siya. Isipin nyo na lang na college kayo. So may nagpa-fluctuate lang naman siya from 9 to 10, may 8:30 to 9:30. So please take note para wala kayong ma-miss na sessions. Tapos, yung review natin is recorded. So, in case you miss it, balik lang kayo sa group. Scroll nyo lang, makita nyo yung mga post ng mga previous topics. Doon nyo pwedeng mapanood yung recordings. So, house rules, be on time, raise your hand, participate in class. So, we appreciate, the review masters appreciate it if magre-recite kayo, maglalagay kayo ng mga answers nyo, ng scores nyo, and take charge of your learning experience. So, a few words of wisdom kunyari. So, ito 'di ba, nakikita nyo, farmer siya, nagtatanim siya ng rice. Si farmer, during daytime, nagtotoil talaga siya, hard work. He does the hard work, nagpla-plant siya ng rice all day, tapos sa gabi, nagpe-pray siya na i-grow ni God yung plants niya. Ini-entrust na niya kay God. Bale tayo, hindi lang tayo dapat manifesting na matutulog tayo, manifesting God na pumasa kami sa exam, pero hindi naman kayo nag-aral nung daytime. So dapat magha-hard work kayo sa daytime, sa gabi manifest kayo, entrust lahat na tama yung inaaral niyo, gano'n. Bale 99% perspiration, 1% inspiration. So eto, you should be intentional with your goal. Ano yung goal niyo? Goal niyo pumasa. So kahit, sana, kahit anong pagdaanan niyo, adversities, stick kayo sa goal. Ano ba yung sabi nun ng isang, ah, YouTuber or something, focus sa goal. Ano, isipin niyo na lang na that is for your future, tapos yun, nag-pray kayo kay God, sabi niyo, "Lord, bigyan sana kami makapasa sana ako sa exam." So binigyan kayo ng book, binigyan ka ng way na magka-civil service exam reviewer. Ta's nag-pray kayo ulit, "Lord, kulang, hindi ko maintindihan yung book." Ta's eto ngayon may free online review kayo. So yun, so sulitin niyo na, yung kulang na lang is ikaw. Ikaw na lang yung dapat mag-effort para kayo pumasa. So you should work hard to achieve your goal. Ikaw na lang yung kulang sa equation para pumasa ka. So eto yung brain box guarantee. Guarantee ko as author of the book na you have 100% chance of passing if you 100% yan ha, hindi 99.9, hindi safeguard. 100% chance of passing if you study and answer all exercises and worksheets. Makikita nyo yan lahat sa book. May mga worksheets diyan, tingnan niyo sa likod yung sagot, i-check niyo kung may mali, may tama, may mali. Anyway, nandun yung answer key and explanations, tapos gawin niyo ulit hanggang ma-perfect. Tapos lahat dapat ha, cover to cover. All exercises and worksheets ng Brainbox main reviewer, kahit itong reviewer lang. Guarantee ko 100% napapasa kayo. So yun, ikaw na lang talaga ang kulang. Good luck sa journey mo sa free online review natin. Tapos I'm wishing you good luck sa exam din. I'm really praying na yung nakikinig ngayon pumasa sa exam. Bye-bye. Enjoy learning.